When a parent loses a child, I mean, it's horrendous. But imagine losing all three at once. Like they've vanished. They've been gone for 14 years now. 14 years, that's a long time. No proof of life at any moment in those 14 years. Which brings me to the next question in our investigation. Why haven't they been declared dead? I know it's sad to think about it. I know you want to keep your hope alive, but Mom believes that they are dead. Like, at what point? What does it take? No proof of life, 14 years, three of them, all at once. Joining me, Michigan attorney known as Big Case Mike. Mike Jaafar is with us. Great to have you both here. Mike, what are your thoughts here about why hasn't this happened?
I think this is ridiculous. I think they should have been declared dead. I mean, there's a difference, obviously, between declaring them dead in a probate instance and then in a criminal arena. If you look at this case long enough, Vinny, a part of your soul dies, right? Simply. Even me reading about the case, these three boys disappeared. They were 9, 7, and 5. I have 3 kids. They're 9, 7, and 5 today, right? So a part of your soul just dies when you look at this case. I could only imagine that the reason that the state of Michigan has not brought murder charges because the prosecution is just gun shy, right? Because at the end of the day, this case has everything, right? These boys are dead, right? The principle of logic, Occam's razor, that says the most likely explanation to a complex situation is usually the most obvious solution. That's the explanation, right? Do we actually believe that these kids were given to a lady on the side of the street or taken to an underground situation where there's somebody raising them? People have a hard time raising their own kids, let alone the 3 kids of a stranger who were allegedly molested by their mom and then kidnapped by their dad, who also is a monster, right? I think these boys should have been declared dead. I think that her probate petition is going to be approved, but it's a different situation, obviously, than having criminal charges come at them.